Welcome back, my home cooks and chefs. Yes, we got something good on the menu. You know, many people have been asking me how to make home whipped cream from home. So I'm going to show you a simple way and very easy way that you can make your own homemade whipped cream at home. Either if you have a KitchenAid or a mixer, whatever you have. I'm going to show you how to make homemade whipped cream at home and save a little buck as well at the same time. So thanks for stopping by Chopping and Grilling with your boy KC. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to keep up with my latest dishes. And this dish is going to be special, guys. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. All my old subscribers, what's up? And I'll see you in the ingredients. All right, you guys, these are the ingredients of how to make your homemade whipped cream. I'm gonna show you, this is a very easy, very simple video to do. All you need is 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. You need 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and also 2 vanilla extract. You need 2 tablespoons or 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, or whatever flavor you want to flavor your whipped cream with. But let's get into it. Real simple and stuff like that. And I'll give you, I will get into the next instructions on how to do it. But like I said, you guys, this is real simple. Just follow along with me, and you can have your own whipped cream. So what we're gonna first do is put in our whipping cream. Just put your whipping cream in and everything like that. And also too, you want to add in your vanilla. And we're gonna slowly add in our sugar mixture to it, our powdered sugar. But what you want to do is put it on high. Don't walk away from this and stuff like that. It's gonna have to whip for, a few minutes and stuff like that. But you have to stay there, watching it very closely, because you can curd and stuff like that, and you can ruin it or flatten it, and that's what you don't want. So let's get it started. I'm gonna start it off slow, and then I'm gonna, amp up the actual speed and everything like that. Alright, now that I finish adding my sugar in there, we're going to turn it on high. And like I said, don't walk away. Stay with me. And as it's mixing around, you're going to start noticing it starting to fluff. As the air is getting to the mixture, that's when it starts fluffing up. If you see a little sugar on the side that you want to, make sure it's in there, you just scrape it down a little bit, and just start it a little slowly to get it back, high again. And as it's whipping, you can see how it's getting fluffy. So that's what I said. You want to keep your eyes on it, to make sure it doesn't over whip. This is one of the key ingredients. It's not that hard. Like I said, you can do this with a hand mixer as well, and it does it just the same. Just keep an eye out on it. Now, if you look at it, you can see the mixture starting to fluff up even more. So, so this is the time you want to keep your eyes on it. Like I said, you can go do other little things, but don't walk away too far, it probably take about a good minute or 2, maybe 3. Depending on how much whipped cream you're whipping up. Alright, so what you want to do is check. One way to check how you know you're done, or if it's finished fully whipped, is if you should see peaks. You know, so it's a little bit, it looks like it needs a little bit more whipping, and that's what we're gonna do, you know, because you wanna have a stiff peak. Okay, so that's how we check it out. See you guys, it's thick, stuff like that. You want to check. It's really stiff and stuff like that. So it's pretty much done. But you know, you want to definitely check it. But all right, so what you want to do, you know, you just see it's really done. It's whipped up and everything like that, ready for whatever you want to decorate, you know, on, or put it on some ice cream or any kind of dessert and stuff like that. So how you want to store this is just like you would store any other whipped cream that you would buy from your local store. You want to get a container, kind of something similar. This is a cool old Cool Whip container, stuff like that. I always save them because I make my own whipped cream from home, and store it in there. You can freeze it and everything like that. You can leave it in there if you're going to be using it for the same day, for piping or anything. You can do it as well. So, you know, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, it's really simple and easy and stuff like that. Tell me if you ever made your whipped cream from home, or if you tried any other abstracts besides vanilla and stuff like that. Don't forget to leave a comment below. If you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, definitely, you know what I'm saying, come enjoy the, my channel and everything like that. But this is Chocolate Griller with your boy KC, and I will see you in the next video.